All right, so here's my trade recap for today. I'm trying a new audio because my headset audio is so scuffed. You can like hear me breathing and shit. But yeah, that audio's cooked. And like low key, my head's getting like fucking indent. But anyway, I did take a trade today, and no, I would have never traded today if this was a funded. But we had a news Monday, which is typically not what we usually have. So I was hoping for some more volatility in the market and just like better setups to present itself. But yeah, today was super cooked. So we rallied probably like 250 points to the upside. And yes, I did learn my lesson not trading no retracements because we in fact did not get a single retracement, only into a 5 minute. And then yeah, so then 9 o'clock came, we created data wicks, and then I wanted to target data highs, but my setup didn't present itself, so I just let it run. So then I waited till the 9:30 macro, which is the continuation model macro, the 9:30 to 10, and I'm talking Central Time, not Eastern Time. But then we respect the 15-minute for value gap. I did want to see a deeper retracement, and I was saying that to myself. I'm like, oh, I want to see a deeper retracement. But anyway, then we get a 2-minute inversion, but the highest time frame inversion from the swing high, swing low was a 4-minute inversion, and I took that. But let me tell you what a mistake. And this is only on an eval, so I'm okay. This is fake money at the end of the day. Fake money. Well, I spent $90 for this eval. But it doesn't matter because I would have never taken this trade if I was on unfunded. So, but anyway, yes, it was clearly the leading indice the entire day. We had an SMT at previous day high. We had an SMT at AM highs. So clearly, ES was in the uptrend. More than NASDAQ was. NASDAQ was failing the entire session. I did keep that in mind, and I was like, ugh, I don't know about this trade. This was a great close. The only thing is we took 8 minutes to invert this realistically because 4 minute, our first candle was very indecisive. It was like a doji candle. And then the second candle, it finally inverted. But I was like in between, like I didn't even know. So anyway, I did take this with this displacement. I thought this was going to be a risk-free trade, which is pretty simple. It's like 12 points away from break even. And then ES was also already hit our break even. So realistically, you don't take the trade. You just sit and watch. Took the trade and I lost. But anyway, like for recap today, you just got to stay patient. Monday, all these orders are being filled. Like everybody in America who put a order pre-market then got filled off market open. So that's just like going to show that there was a lot of money being put into the market. That's why we rallied how many points we rallied. And that's been the case within like the last like month. Like people are putting in lots of money into these markets because of the news Trump is giving, and that meaning we are going to pump 500 points or dump 500 million points. But yeah, that was kind of today, and I'll go over my recap real quick. Alright, so here is the recap for today. So we see here, I can't replay both of these charts and share at the same time, but this is where ES candle closed. So ES was clearly bearish, and ES actually inverted this candle right here, and then this was NASDAQ's candle, right here. So as you can see, like clearly NASDAQ is lagging behind, and then we got this Drake candle to the upside. But yeah, like NASDAQ was lagging the entire session. So what did I think? I thought ES was gonna keep ripping, and then NASDAQ to follow it. But the thing is, like, you can't assume. And then ES already took out the break even, so this is a reversal point. And as we knew, NASDAQ was lagging the entire session. So yes, we could have easily reversed, got a deeper retracement, and then made the move, which is exactly what happened. But in my head, I'm like, okay, this is 8 points away from break even, like break even trade on an eval, hold it to this, and then I make some money. But yeah, no, that's not the case. But anyway, like, if I was to take a trade, I know Patty, which is like my mentor, he took a trade down here, which was like a 5-minute condition. Yeah, right here. And then this was like a data high wick. And then, I don't know, is a 15-minute unmitigated was right down there. I was hoping that we retrace down there and then take the long. But other than that, there was like no setups that presented itself. This was market open. So market open, okay, this is already 200 points. So market open, just to my setup, this was I probably shouldn't have taken this trade. 372 points. Like, kind of fries in the bag after that, bro. Like, realistically, we need a retracement. But I ain't trading that dumb shit. So, yeah, this was the trade today. Like, super easy continuation model. 930. So it closed at 935. I'm okay following my rules. I know the macro is going to provide us either a higher trade higher, or we're just gonna retrace more, so, and then trade higher. So yeah, I don't care. That was a loss I could stomach. But yeah, this is me holding myself accountable. Took a loss on the eval, and tomorrow we get in a win. I could fucking guarantee that. Nah, I can't guarantee that, but definitely getting a win tomorrow. I need it for the mental, and I need it for my bank account. So yeah, all right, see you.